Hi guys, today I'm going to be attempting the microwave challenge. Yeah, probably not going to be able to do it, but let's just get into the video, see what happens. Let's do it. Ready, 3, 2, 1, go. This is a nice challenge, isn't it? That was really relaxing. Guys, that was actually really relaxing. I want to do that again. Ready, 3, 2, 1. Oh, this is fun. Guys, you should try that at home yourself. Oh god, that was cringy. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button. See ya.